In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to design a stunning invitation in Canva. Whether it's for a wedding, birthday, or any special occasion, Canva makes it simple to create professional, eye-catching invites in just minutes. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva design tips every week. Start by opening Canva and typing invitation into the search bar. You will instantly see hundreds of beautiful templates, from elegant wedding designs to playful birthday themes. Take a moment to browse through and choose one that fits your event's vibe. Once you've found the perfect template, click Customize this template. This opens the editor where you can personalize every detail. To edit text, simply click on any text box and type in your own event details, the name, date, time, and venue. You can easily adjust the font, color, and size to match your chosen theme. Next, customize the visuals. On the left-hand panel, you will find options to add or replace photos, icons, or graphics. You can upload your own image or choose from Canva's massive library. Just drag and drop the elements you like. It's that simple. When your invitation looks exactly how you want it, it's time to save and share. Click Download at the top right corner. Then choose your preferred file format. For high quality printing, select PDF print. For digital sharing, go with PNG or JPG. And that's it. You've just designed a beautiful custom invitation using Canva. Ready to print or send online? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials and creative inspiration.